Understanding the marketing environment and conducting market research is key to identifying opportunities. But it doesn't stop there. We need to measure and forecast the size, growth, and profit potential of each new opportunity. Sales forecasts are crucial for finance, manufacturing, purchasing, and human resources. If our forecast is off, we'll face excess or inadequate inventory. So, what do we mean by market demand? It's important to define it. We can prepare different types of demand estimates for various product levels, space levels, and time periods. Each serves a specific purpose. We have the potential market, the available market, the qualified available market, and the target market. And let's not forget the penetrated market. These definitions help us plan our marketing strategies. If we're not satisfied with our sales, we can try to attract a larger percentage of buyers, lower qualifications, expand our available market, or reposition ourselves. It's all about finding the right market and seizing the opportunities. So let's dive in and make the most of our marketing efforts.